Hey you guys, so I made it to my destination, y'all. I couldn't vlog. Today is Sunday. I came Friday, like you guys know. I couldn't vlog. I'm so sorry, y'all, because my camera just wouldn't turn on or turn off. I don't know, the camera was just acting a fool, so I couldn't film for you guys. But I'm here. Today is Sunday. I came Friday, so I'm here for like 3 days now. So I'm in St. Martin for the next 3 weeks, so we are gonna have an adventure, of course. Yesterday I went on a boardwalk and I went out to eat, but unfortunately I couldn't film for you guys because the camera was acting the fool. So let's just hope that for the rest of the trip it act right, so we can get these vlogs and this footage out. But yes, so far so good. I've been having a good time. I'm staying at my sister's house, and if you guys don't know, I'm a Caribbean girl. This is not my first time in St. Martin, so I still don't know the place. I've been here only for vacation, so if you told me to go to Simpson Bay or whatever, I still wouldn't know where to go. But it's not my first time here. So yes, I'm so excited to be here. You guys have no idea. Oh, by the way, let me tell y'all, I didn't have to pay overweight. I was, my luggage was 25 kilos, and the lady was like, oh no, it's just 2 kilo overweight, so you're good. And I'm like, seriously? So all this time I was trying to stick to 23 kilos and I could have actually just packed 25 kilos. So next time I'm packing 25 kilos and not 23. But anyway, right now I'm about to eat. I went to the restaurant yesterday, y'all. I couldn't finish my food. It was so much food, so I brought home the rest. So I'm heating it up right now to eat. And we're going to the movies later, so I'm kind of looking for an outfit. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna be wearing. I'm thinking of wearing this purple top. It's inside out because I was trying it on. And I have these pants. These are like cargo pants with some sneakers. And just very simple, nothing too crazy. Oh yes, because my camera died on me, you guys didn't get to finish, you guys didn't get to see my nails. So this is how they turned out, the press-ons. Not too bad. Let's go check on my food because I'm hungry. Yeah, so this is the food. This is local food. We have rice and peas, chicken, some veggies, and this is potato. Just ate. Now I'm getting ready for the movies. I'm getting ready to install my wig. I'm wearing my pink and purple wig today. So we're running late and I'm everyone is waiting for me. But I'm dressed, I'm ready to go. Let me show you guys my outfit real quick. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. I hope you guys can see. I have to hold my light up like this in order for you to see. But this is the fit. Just casual. Nothing too crazy. Okay, let's go. Good morning, you guys. So right now I'm making myself a cup of tea, and let's see, I think I'm gonna do this one. This is the tea for this morning. Oh yeah, it's hot, and even though it's hot, you know, I'm gonna make my tea. So I'm making my tea. Hold on, y'all, I can't do this with one hand. Let's see. So last night we went to see Flash, and y'all don't come for me, but this is the first time I ever heard about Flash. I don't know. I'm not into movies and superheroes and those type of things, so I don't know. Everyone was like, even my nephew, he was like, you don't know Flash? I'm like, nope, I don't know. But the movie wasn't too bad. I did sleep a little. Yeah, those type of movies kind of boring. Yeah, but I did see a good bit of it. I didn't sleep for too long. I probably dozed off for about 5 minutes or so. Yeah, it was all right. And today I'm all alone because my sister's at work, my nephew's at camp, so I'm all alone. So I decided to take myself on a date. So I'm going on a beach date in about, it's 10 to 10 right now, so I probably will get ready for around 11:30. I'm gonna just lay at the beach and enjoy myself. So that's the plan for this morning. I don't know if we're going anywhere tonight, but yeah, I think I'm gonna do a facial before I leave because I'm breaking out right here on my cheek, so I'm trying to, you know, stop it before it get worse. So I'll probably do that in a while. What else am I gonna do? I don't want to wear no wig to the beach because for the pictures, of course, it's cute, but if I want to get in the water, I have to remove the wig anyway. So I want to do finger waves. Here I go again with the finger waves. Or I might just try to like slick it down going this way. I don't know. Tea is still piping hot. Let's see. Ooh, hot, hot. Oh, it's so good, y'all. Oh, I'm about to eat a roti, you guys. I've been waiting like 6 months to eat a roti. Of course, I can get roti in the Netherlands, but it's just not the same. It doesn't hit the same. So I'm gonna show you guys in a minute because I'm not ready to eat yet. If I still look sleepy, y'all, I am still on European time. I've been getting up middle of the night like, why isn't it morning? Why is it still dark? I'm ready to go outside. I'm still jet lagged, which is so funny because it's been like, what, 4 days now? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Yes, this is 4 days. So why am I still jet lagged? But I'm starting to catch up now because I slept better last night than I did past 3 days. So I'm getting there. And as soon as my body is adjust to this, then I have to go back home and it all begins again. But I'm not complaining. I'm just enjoying myself. So far my vacation has been pretty good. What have I done so far? I went to the movies, we went out to eat to a local restaurant, we went for a little drive. I did go to the beach, but just on like a boardwalk or something. I went on a boardwalk. What the heck? No, I went on a boardwalk Saturday just for a walk. We didn't swim or anything. So yeah, so far so good. They have some things that I really want to try. I'm not gonna tell you guys yet because if it don't come true, then I'll look stupid. I'm just trying to figure out what all I want to do while I'm here, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys on my adventure. And yeah, for those of you who don't know, this is called a roti, and this is what I'm having for breakfast. Moment of truth. Mmm. Yes. This is good. If y'all never had one of these, if you ever come to St.MAARTEN, make sure you get yourself a chicken roti. And if you like eating goat meat roti, never disappoint. I'm gonna be honest, when I reach back, I need to go on a serious diet because the way I've been eating, ridiculous. You see this double chin? Look at this. Look, like I'm a frog. Those are food I don't get on a daily, so while I'm here, I'm gonna eat everything. When I go back, I can hit the gym, but for now, we're gonna. Who the heck? For now, we're about to gain some weight, so it is what it is. Okay, you guys, I am stuffed. Let's see. I was trying to be greedy and eat everything, but I couldn't, so I just ate the half. I'll eat the other half later, maybe tomorrow, but yo, I can't even move. Oh, whoa, I'm so lazy. But I have to go and start doing my hair. Hopefully it cooperates, because my hair been doing some craziness lately, and I think because it's this length and I don't know what to do with it. The finger waves just ain't working out for me, and I can just apply mousse and leave it as it is, but it's kind of boring like that. So I'm trying to like add a little more character and stuff into it. So let me get started before it gets any later, because I want to go on the beach while it's still early, you know. See you guys on the beach. Y'all, wait a minute. What? So I had to turn on the camera because I'm hype right now. Y'all see this swoop? Let me show you. You all see this swoop? So I use this thing because my sister has a lot of products in here, so I'm just like, let me see this. So I use mousse and I added this thing. It's like an edge control. This is what it looks like. Reminds me of an edge control. Maybe it is an edge control, but I mixed up with mousse. You guys see this? It's laid. Wait, let me just finish the next side. And so this is how my hair turned out. This is the best I had it since trying to do finger waves. This is the best I've achieved so far. Give you guys a tour. So I'ma just chill here and read my book. This is the book I'm reading. I show you guys when I was packing. Okay guys, so I just ordered a pina colada. Just ordered a pina colada. Oh shit, sorry. It's actually pretty good. So I'm packing it up and I'm going home. I've been here for about 4 hours, I think. And I didn't get in the water because the sea is rough, y'all, and I can't swim. So I just stayed here, read my book, drank my pina colada, and just chill, and now I'm going home. I will go to a different beach, probably weekend, another beach so I can swim there because I need to dip in that water, in the ocean. But yeah, that was it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you all could hear me, by the way. Bye.